This is a really nice typical spring flower you find in the woods, a lot of different kinds of woods, dried and moist. This is called Quaker ladies or innocence, but it's a member of the Rubiaceae, which is the coffee family again, and it has these flowers that are really typical of the coffee family. The genus and species is Houstonia caerulea. Caerulea refers to this sort of sky blue color of the flower. You can recognize this species because it has this, what we call an eye, a yellow eye. That's basically the top of the tube, right at the base of where the petals flare out. It's called the eye. So it has a yellow eye, and the flowers are on these long individual stems, and the leaves are quite small. They are hardly noticeable. So the main leaves are really down at the base, and they're sort of spoon-shaped. But these leaves up on the stem are almost reduced to nothing. The stamens and the pistil are basically down inside the tube, with the stigma, the top of the style, just barely showing at the opening there in the eye. So it's ready to be to receive pollen when an insect probes that tube. There are other species in this genus, and they vary in sort of the shapes and size of the leaves and how the leaves are developed on the stem and the size, the height. So this is probably one of the tallest of these sort of low Houstonias. We see in this fruits developing. Here we have a fruit. Here are some fruits developing. And the ovary has basically two chambers. You see the two-lobed structure of the fruit as it's developing, which is typical of the family. If I remember back to looking at the genus we called Galium, or the bedstraws, they had the two seeds that were sort of attached to each other bristly. We see the same pattern of the two-lobed fruit again here.